Hello, my name is James Gallegos. I'm the meat operations specialist for Associated Foods. Today we're going to demonstrate how to cook bacon. It sounds like a very simple thing to do, but there's a couple of great tips that I can give you that'll make your bacon a lot better and a lot more consistent. First thing we do is we decide what kind of bacon we like. Bacon or regular sliced bacon. The thin sliced bacon will give you a crispier bacon, and the thick sliced bacon will make it more chewy. The important thing about cooking bacon in a skillet, which is the number one way to cook bacon, is to start out with a cold skillet. What that does is it allows the fat to be rendered evenly throughout the cooking process and make your eating experience more consistent. So we're going to lay out the bacon, try not to overlap it, put it in a cold skillet. All right, now that we got the bacon laid out in the cold skillet, we turn it to medium to low heat. And we let the bacon cook slow and easy. Slow and low, and that'll be the best way to cook your bacon. So you continue to cook your bacon on medium to low heat, and you want to turn the bacon often. Don't wait until it starts to curl. And use tongs so it makes it a lot easier. So keep an eye on your bacon, try not to walk away, and turn your bacon often. Okay, so continue to cook your bacon to the way you like it. Some people like their bacon chewy, some people like their bacon crispy. But the important thing about cooking bacon is you want to remove it from the frying pan just before it's the way you want it, because it'll continue to cook after you remove it from the heat. I like my bacon a little bit chewy, so we're going to remove it right now. Put the bacon on paper towel to absorb the excess grease, which will make it more appetizing. And let the bacon rest for a few minutes, then it's ready to serve. The best part of cooking bacon is eating it.